Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is a channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. Guys, so this is my entryway. And I know I said I was going to decorate it with you guys, but I am running out of time and I want to have all of this done before December 1st. So sorry I had to decorate without you, but let me break it down for you. So because we are going big and bold over here, as you can see, I still need to do my wall treatment. That's coming. But this needed to stay really simple. So all I did was add a wreath that I picked up from Walmart. It's the flock kind. I did get rid of a lot of my flocked wreaths, but I did keep a few. So this is one of them. In it, I added our DIY bling garland. I love the way that looked. I actually DIY'd this for my black frost Christmas tree a few years ago, and I thought it would be perfect to use this year. I also added in our diamonds and pearls. Remember, the theme is black tie featuring diamonds and pearls. Here is our black tie. This is just a piece of satin that I cut from a roll. It's 6 inches, and I just tied it into a bow to give it our black tie effect. Then I just strung some balls together on some string or ribbon back there that you can see, and just tied it so that it would hang down to give us a really nice, elegant effect. Also too, I added in these mercury glass trees. You guys know I love mercury glass. We are keeping it simple, so I did add just a medium one and two smaller ones to give us an elegant look here in the entryway. This plant stays here year round, so rather than remove it from its spot, I decided to just elevate it with a little bit of Christmas decor. So I added in these picks that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. This one came from the Dollar Tree. This one also came from Hobby Lobby. This rose came from Walmart, and then I just added in some ornaments, and the way I add them is I just stick them on skewers and just stick them down into the plant like so. And I did that one and then one in black. And so rather than remove my greenery for Christmas, I just embellish it a little bit, and I absolutely love the way it looks. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this little tip. Are you going to try it for yourself if you have houseplants that you do not want to move? All right, so I did finally go ahead and get the wall treatment over here. I have hung some snowflakes, and last year I used tape, but this year I decided to use these little pins that you use for sewing. The tips are really small, so you won't be able to see the holes that well in the ceiling. At least I hope so. So that is how I have hung them. And again, I apologize for the poor lighting. It's just that time of day. So this is what we have so far with the snowflakes. Again, remember our blacked out Christmas tree. I'm debating whether or not do I leave the gold, or do I switch it out to silver, or do I just make it all black? Because I don't know, I wanted to bring in the warmth for fall, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep it. Leave me a comment down below, let me know. All right, remember I showed you guys some inspiration photos when I first started talking about my black tie Christmas. It was an ornament that I was inspired by on Etsy. It was jeweled in silver and had gems on it, and I'll put up that photo here. Well, I've been thinking about that, and I think I want to change out the gold balls to these. So this ornament I picked up from The at-home store last year. It is so pretty. It's a combination of silver and champagne gold. And I have just added a black ribbon, a bow tie ribbon with our pearl ornaments that we picked up from the at-home store. And so this is how the ornament looks. And I'm thinking these will look a lot better than just the plain gold ornaments. So leave me a comment down below. Do we go with these, which I love, or the gold? Vote. Write gold or black tie in the comments down below. I'm thinking black tie. These look so cute on the tree. But let me know what you think. So I added a little bling to it so it would look more similar to our inspiration. And I think I like it. I think I want to switch out the gold to this one. But leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I also have these other snowflakes that I have pulled out, and we are also going to be using a treatment over here. As you can see, I hung the garland over the window already. Again, sorry for the poor lighting, and I did not decorate with you, but this is how it is looking. I absolutely love it. I need to get some more frosted picks to go along on the side. I don't have any of those. And again, to go along with the other side, I don't want to get rid of my everyday plants. So I have just added in some greenery, a snowflake, and these glitter picks from, what is it? Dollar Tree. And then I just stuck some balls in there. And this is how this is looking. And then over here on this side, this is still a work in progress. We're still working on that. I think I am going to do something with this canvas print where I will turn it into a present and put a big bow on it to go along with our black tie theme. That's the bow you see up there. I just stuck it on with some double-sided tape, painter's tape, to see how it would look, and it fell down. So that's where we are with that. I have the ornaments here set, waiting to do some other things. But this is how the entryway and the lounge is looking so far. So I hope you guys are enjoying today's video inspiration. And if you can see that little glow back there, I have also put the tree in the family room. We're going to be decorating that next. And then we'll be moving upstairs to my loft area. I am running out of time. As I said, I want to have everything finished and done decorated by the end of November. So I gotta hurry up. I'm on a time crunch. I'm like so busy. I cannot get everything filmed and when I should to show you guys. So you're gonna see where I've put things together because I lose the light, so I can't film. And so I'll just put it together and show you how it looks the next day. So this is how this is looking. I absolutely love it. Again, this is the entryway. This is how this area is looking so far. The window. I'm wondering if I should do something with this painting, and I'm not sure on that. But the thought process behind these snowflakes is to hang them from the window along with some ornaments. Oh, and let me show you the ornaments. All right, you guys know I am all about getting the luxe look for less. So remember those ornaments that I showed you that I ordered from Amber Marie & Co. They were like $12 an ornament. Well, I found these ornaments, which are very, very similar to those, on Amazon, and there were 3 of these for $24. Guys, just $24 versus $12 for the one from Amber Marie & Co. So they have this size, and then they have, don't want to break anything. They have this one also. Again, these are very similar to the ornaments on the Amber Marie & Co site that Rebecca Robeson showed. And you guys know I'm always telling you how to get the luxe look for less, and that is what we are doing here. And I absolutely love these. Look how nice these are, and I think these will look really, really nice hanging from the window. So that is what we are going to do next. So I want to try to take you guys with me, but again, it's, you know, it gets dark early. I hate that it gets dark so early, because I use natural lighting to film, and I can't film because it gets so dark. But those I wanted to share with you in case you are interested, and I will leave these linked in my Amazon storefront so you can go check it out. And anything that I mention is from my Amazon storefront. You can shop 24/7, and I get a small commission, so thank you so much in advance for that. These came, I want to say, from the Dollar Tree many years ago. And this one, I think, came from, I don't remember. I've had these for a while. But I think these are really, really nice. And they look really, really nice here, hung up in the lounge. So if you have enjoyed today's video inspiration, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. I still have those areas to decorate that I think you guys are really, really gonna love. Let me give you just a quick sneak peek of the tree in here. Okay, so this is the tree. This one came from Amazon. I absolutely love it. It is not a twinkle tree, so we are going to be adding some twinkle lights. But remember, this I thrifted. It's a piece of wall decor, and I told you I was going to use it as a tree topper. This is how it's looking. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so nice. So yeah, this is just a little sneak peek of what we're going to be decorating. I'm going to change that out. You guys know I got a pearl tree skirt, so that's what we're going to be using. But yeah, here's our ornaments and things. We're going to change this out. But yeah, I just want to give you a quick sneak peek of this tree and how it's going to look. Yeah, I am so excited. I cannot wait to start decorating. I am really happy with this tree topper. Even though it's not a tree topper, it is a piece of wall decor. I absolutely love to think outside the box, and that's why we're using it as a tree topper. So again, if you have enjoyed today's video inspiration and you're looking for more budget-friendly decorating inspiration content, because this only cost me $10, make sure you subscribe. And with that, my friends, let's take one last look, and I hope to see you in the next one.